Today we are in Bamberg and we are exploring the old town, and we are going to go on a little hike that should take us up to a castle on one of the 7 hills here in the city. Old rat house, the old town hall. You can just see that behind me, and it's a really unique town hall because it was built in the middle of the Regnitz River. I guess the citizens couldn't get land to build a town hall, so instead they got creative and built one in the middle of the river.